Here for a walk-in cooler not working. You can already see we got ice on the suction line. Evaporator's frozen. Not completely. This one also as well. That one's completely frozen. What's up? It doesn't look like it's shutting off. So that's the problem. Maybe yeah, we got a sticky pressure control right there. Yeah, we got a sticky pressure control right there.
Before we start defrosting, I'm gonna hit hot water. Try not to get the motors wet. If I get the motors out and they're not completely stuck in the ice, I'll take the motors out before I start defrosting them with cold hot water. Just to try to prevent them from getting damaged. At least try some. Yeah. It's coming out nice at least. So we'll get that. That's nice. Why not the bucket connectors? Fucking genius. Fucking genius.
Made a mess, picked it up. This thing's running a clear sight glass, 448A. So basically what's happening is this thing is a walk-in cooler. As you've seen earlier, the defrost clock is just there. It's just wired in. If you want to tie it into the liquid line solenoid and the thermostat or whatever you may want to do, but it's just not doing nothing. There's no defrost heaters, there's no defrost heater contactors, nothing. So basically what happens is on the off cycle, solenoid closes, it pumps down, pressure switch shuts the unit off. That wasn't happening, pressure switch is no good, wasn't shutting the unit off, compressor kept running, caused the coils to ice up. So I didn't have one of those right now. It's Sunday night. I put in a low pressure cut-out control, usually for an HVAC unit. It's basically, it's the same thing. It's open 15, closes 35 psi, which is pretty much the same exact thing on the cut in, cut out. It'll work for now. So right now, everything's good to go for tonight. We're going to come back and put in the right pressure control.